Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to download and install the newest version of Seelen UI, one of the most sleek and powerful user interfaces out there. So, let's dive in. First, we need to download Seelen UI. Open your web browser or click link in description to download. Simply follow my steps. Once the installation is finished, you can customize it the way you like. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.